like it.
All of us have gone out to eat at restaurants before, usually. But some restaurants around the world are so disgusting that they can make you feel sick. Today we are looking at the
Most disturbing restaurants ever.
Make sure to like and subscribe to stay safe, Louise. Have you guys ever seen those vendors selling burgers on the side of the road? Well, in this first incident, the burgers were made
From humans.
It's called the
Joseph Bethany incident.
burger restaurant, and when he needed meat, he would unalive people and use their meat to make burgers. It's a very horrifying restaurant, so let's take a look.
You won't believe what this guy did to people. Let me explain. In 1996, a homeless addict named Joe Metheny lived in a city where drugs and alcohol were everywhere. After struggling to find a job, he eventually became a forklift driver for a wonderful lady that was also an addict. They ended up falling in love, getting married, and even having a kid. But this is where the crazy stuff happened. Joe and his wife eventually lived in a trailer home with their new child. But one night, Joe came home from work and everything was gone. Yeah, his wife left him with their 6-year-old child and all of her belongings. He was furious until one night, he went looking around for his wife and kid and even started asking strangers where they went. And if they said, no, I don't know where they went, he murdered them. And he kept murdering people until one day he needed a little bit of extra cash. So what did he do? He turned all 10 victims into burgers and sold them on the side of the road for people to eat for almost an entire month. And his last words were, "I'm sorry, will never come out of my mouth."
This is why I don't like eating street food. Like, imagine finding out you're
Eating someone else.
That's terrible. I also found footage of this, so take a look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I feel people who got turned into cheeseburgers. But in this next restaurant, I found a human finger in her food. It's called the
Wendy's incident.
I was shocked when I heard this story because Wendy's is a very popular.
唔係啊，啱時春睇啊。咦啊，我日啊，啱時春
Happy birthday to you.
係啊，
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
係咯。
Happy birthday, Alex. I was trying to hit 400 subscribers.
咁嘅時候，
Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Howard.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
叫住啊，
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You are a scammer. Flaming young. You
but you already but you all are you already made the video about us not eat the ghost?
what? Today we're gonna make an ice cream, but this is cooking time. Hey. Bye guys.
Bye, Alex.